Welcome back to Clark Star Culinary. Today we're making crackers. First I'm going to mince some sage leaves to put into the dough. In a mixing bowl, sift 1½ cups of flour. Add a ½ teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm using avocado oil, and now I'm going to add in the minced sage, and you can use any herb of your choice, and add ½ cup of water. Mix the ingredients until the dough starts to form, and then knead the dough for 3 to 5 minutes. I divided the dough ball into 2 pieces, dust the countertop, and roll one of the dough balls out really thin. And you can also use an adjustable roller to ensure the cracker is evenly thin. Once the dough is rolled out to the desired thinness, you can add toppings. I'm adding salt, fresh cracked black pepper, sesame seeds, and poppy seeds. Once you've added all your toppings, roll over them to embed them into the dough. Now cut the dough or use a cookie cutter if you have a desired shape that you'd like for your crackers. After cutting the dough, I'm going to take the blunt end of a wooden skewer and press it into the dough of each cracker several times to prevent the cracker from creating large air pockets during the baking process. Repeat the same process with the other dough ball. Afterwards, line them up on a baking sheet. Put them into the oven, preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, on the middle rack. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes. Once you remove them from the oven, set them on a cooling rack. Once cool, they are ready to be enjoyed with your favorite spread. In the description box below, I will have this exact recipe, as well as a basic recipe without all the extras. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If so, be sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification icon so that you can be notified of our next video upload. Until next time, bye-bye.